Hi everyone, welcome to MSCR Makes. I'm Miss Julia and today we're going to be making some shave foam prints. For your shave foam prints you'll need either some shaving gel or some shave foam, some food coloring. If you have shave gel, you'll also need a little bit of water. You'll need some paper, something flat like a spatula to scrape with, something smaller to be able to mix and swirl your colors with, and a surface to do everything on. I'm going to use these plates, but you could also use a baking sheet or any other surface that's able to hold onto some shave foam. You can pause the video here and go gather all of your supplies. Now that you've had a chance to gather your supplies, I'm going to move some things out of the way. The first thing I'm going to do is prepare my foam surface. I have shaved gel, so I'm going to need a little bit of water for this, but if you have regular shave foam, you can just use the shave foam. So what I'm going to do is squirt out some of my shave gel onto my plate. And then I'm going to dip my fingers in the water and move it around so that I get a foamy surface. If some of it isn't foaming up yet, just get a little bit more water. And once I have a nice foamy surface, I'm going to use my hands to flatten it out so that I have enough area to work in. The area for you to work should be about as big as your piece of paper. It's okay if it's not perfect. I'm going to go wash this off of my hands now. Now that I've rinsed off my hands and I've dried them, I can go on to the next part of my project. I'm going to need my food coloring now. What I'll do is carefully drop a few bits of food coloring all over my foamy surface. You don't need to use a lot of food coloring, but it looks really cool if you use more than one color. I think I'll use 3 colors, so I'll grab the red as well. Now that I've put dots of food coloring all on my foamy surface, I'm going to use my spoon to swirl it around. My goal is not to mix all of the colors together, but just have a cool looking swirly surface. That looks pretty good. Next, I'm going to take my paper and press it flat down onto my foam. Make sure to get all of the corners and edges. Once you've done this, you'll want to lift it off. See how some of the shave foam and how some of the food coloring has stuck? Let me move this out of the way. And grab another plate to do the scraping part with. Next, I'm going to take the flat edge of my spatula and scrape off any of the extra shave foam. I can just put it back on to my other plate so that I can use it again. Once I've scraped all of the shave foam off, you can see that I'm left with a really cool marbled print. Let me do one more for you. I can use the same foamy surface a few times. So let's press down again and see if we get anything that looks a little different. Let me lift up. Look at all of the foam that stuck to that one. And now I'll scrape off the extra foam and put it on my plate to use again. You can make a whole bunch of prints. After you've scraped off all the foam, you can see your marbled paper prints. Those are pretty cool. A thing that I like to do with shave foam prints is write on the back of them. I can then send letters to people like my sister who doesn't live with me. Well, I hope you enjoy making some shave foam prints, and I hope that you've enjoyed this episode. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!